First up, we're gonna melt down a half a stick of butter. We're gonna drop that iron skillet down in that oven. Now, y'all, let's make the biscuits. First up, we're gonna go in there with 2 cups of self-rising flour. All right, and we're gonna go with 1 tablespoon of baking powder, teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of salt. All that mixed up really good like that. Look how fine that powder is. With 2 tablespoons of Crisco. That's 1, 2. All right, now we're going in there with 1 cup of buttermilk. Ooh-wee. All right, now we're gonna take a fork. We're just gonna take and get all that mashed in. There we go. Get all that Crisco all mashed in there good. Now, get that pan out there. That pan's all heated up, ready to go. Look at that butter in there. Ooh-wee. Put a little flour on this cut board right here. Just a little bit. All right, I put some gloves on them and get some little flour on them like that. All right, here's our biscuit dough right here. There we go. Get that biscuit dough out there. Look how pretty that looks right there, B. Look at that biscuit dough right there. Oh, yeah. What we're going to do, we're going to pat it down a little bit like that. Pat it down. We're going to flip it over. Pat it down again. All right, B, what we're going to do, we're going to break off a piece of that biscuit right there like that. We'll make us a little round ball out of it. We're going to drop it in that pan like that. We're going to poke it with 2 fingers like that. Just put a little dent in the top of it. Get us another one right here. That flour, roll it up, roll it up, roll it up. Drop it in there. Come in there, get us another one right there. Like that. Drop them 2 fingers in there. There we go. Get that spread down a little bit like that. Ooh, everybody. Got that oven. I'm just kind of putting little dentures in the top like that. We got that oven preheated at 350 degrees. We're going to drop them down in there. Probably going to take about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. They turn golden brown on the top. Here we go. All right, B, it's been 20 minutes. Check this out. Ooh-wee. Look at them biscuits right there, huh? Huh? Is that a pan of cat head biscuits right there or what? That's pretty. All right, let's get them out there. Ready? Let's see. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Before we get them out, hold up, hold up. Let me see if I can get this to help me out a little bit here. Y'all ready? Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at them biscuits right there. Huh? Look at this, B. Look at this. Look. Let's get them flipped over. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? We're gonna grab us one of them biscuits like that. And what I like doing, B, I like just breaking them up. Get them all broke up like that. Ooh, boy, it's still hot too. Look at that. 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 Get us another one. Get it all broke up. Get us a pile of biscuits. Come on over here, B. Step over this way. Get us some of that white pepper gravy right there, like that. Ooh-wee. Get that all over the top of it. Like that. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Let's take us a little sample right here. Right there. Look at that, y'all. That gravy is super hot. Biscuits are hot. Gravy's hot. But I'm telling you, super easy recipe right here, guys. You can cook this in probably under 40 minutes in your house. Homemade buttermilk biscuits. It don't get no better than this right here.